Seventh question. The balance sheet of A, B, and C stood as follows. Okay, yeah, this is same as sixth one, means under net payment method. Creditors, bill payable, capital is given. Cash at bank, debtors, less reserves, stock, machinery, fixtures, goodwill, all these assets has been given. It was decided to sell the business to a limited company, agreed to allot 12,000 fully paid up shares of 10 rupees each. And with this means fully satisfaction of the purchase consideration, no cash payment is there. The company assumed the liabilities except bills payable and took over all the assets excluding the bank balance, means in that problem cash has been given, here bank balance, same thing. The partners shared profit and losses in the proportion of 1/2, 1/3 and 1/6 respectively. Prepare accounts showing the final settlement as regards the partners, assuming that the shares were duly allotted. Okay. Here first thing is obviously you have to calculate the purchase consideration. Here nothing is debentures, cash, all those things has been not given, just the equity shares, that is 12,000 equity shares of 10 rupees each, that is 1,20,000, that's it. And the next thing is, see here in the books of the firm ledger account, that is realization account you should prepare. And this realization account to debtors 40,000 realized. Next thing is stock for 44, machinery and plant for 30, and fixture is 3,000, goodwill is 9,000. All these things given in the problem. And next thing is by reserves, means debtors less reserves, which is given in the problem, and that is reserve 2,000 rupees, and creditors 34,000 rupees, bills payable 2,400 rupees. Okay. Now these 2,400 rupees, that is bills payable, has been paid. That's why to cash account, that is in bracket bills payable, 2,400 rupees. And next thing is by purchasing company's account, that is purchase consideration which has been fully paid in equity shares, that is 1,20,000 rupees. Now make the total of it, and the balance is 30,000, and the balance has been divided in the ratio of 1/2, 1/3 and 1/6, that is 15, 10 and 5,000 rupees. Next thing is purchasing company account. In this purchasing company account, realization account is 1,20,000 rupees, that is this 1,20,000 rupees. And by equity shares, totally they have paid in equity shares, that's why 1,20,000. Make the total and come to equity shares in purchasing company, means here there is no cash or debentures, nothing else, no other modes of payment, only the fully paid in shares. That's why to purchasing company account, total in equity shares, so 1,20,000 rupees. And now the same procedure you have to follow, that is in that problem I showed you in working note, no? So there is same thing, that see here calculation of final claim ratio in the absence of any information in the problem. That is because this line is given because there is no information about the which ratio they have to divide their shares. So here 55,000, 50,000 and 25,000. This 55,000 has arrived from this capital A 40,000 plus here A's capital 15,000. So 40 plus 15. 40 plus 15, that's equal to this 55. And 40 plus 10. 40 plus 10, 80 is capital, that is 50,000. And next thing is 20 plus 5. 20 plus 5, that's equal to 25. That one is C is capital. So common yadu anta nodi, that is 11s are 10 and 5. These things I think all of you know. And now you will get the ratio 11, 10 and 5. 11 is to 10 is to 5. And now divide these 12,000 shares in this ratio. The total you will get 26. That's why 11 divided by 26, 10 divided by 26 and 5 divided by 26. You have to divide these 12,000 shares. You will get, A will get 5,077 shares of 10 each, 50,770. B will get 46,150 and C will get 23,080. The same thing you have to enter it here. A 50,770, B 46,150, and C 23,080, and make the total. Now move to capital account. See here in this capital account, by balance brought down by 40 40 20, that is given in the problem, that 40 40 20. Okay, and next thing is by realization account 15 10 5. By realization account 15 10 and 5. Okay, next thing is to shares in purchasing company account. So to shares in purchasing company account is 50,770, 46,150, 23,080. Okay, next thing is make the total and balance transfers to cash account. The balancing figure is this one. Move to cash account. Write the same balancing figure of A, B and C here. A, B, C. The same amount you should write it here. And by realization account, here see where the cash account came in realization account. See here for bills payable 2,400 rupees. The same thing is by realization account 2,400 rupees in cash account. And to balance brought down 12,400 is the cash balance. So cash account debited to balance brought down. Here cash at bank, that is 12,400, which is given in the problem. So cash account tallies here.